I am Samia from SS Cards and T-shirts. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna share with you how to make this paper bracelet. So easy to make and obviously so beautiful. To make this, let's get started. To make this, you will need a white paper and color. I am coloring the two corners of the paper randomly. You can go for any color. I am taking pink color and just marking. Now I am cutting the A4 size paper like this. Now fold the another two corners with these corners like this. I cannot make you understand by saying, try to understand by watching. And now I'm sticking the ends. Now fold it in a circle, stick the ends, and it's ready. And now I'm just making another one. For this I'm going for orange color and just following the steps. For decorating purpose, I'm just gluing some glitters. Using some glue and spreading some glitters on it, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below and please subscribe the channel. No more today. Thanks for watching.